Hello, hi viewers, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will solve previous year question KSET Physics 2024. The question is, an element crystallizes into a face-centered cubic structure. A sample of mass 208 gram contains 4.28 into 10 raised to 24 atoms. If the density of the element is 7200 kg per meter cube, determine the edge length A of the unit cell. Here the options are given below. So this is the 2024 KSET Physics question. Before solving this question, we will see about some basic concept about related to the FCC. Briefly understand what is FCC and its related concepts. So here FCC is a type of crystal structure in which atoms are arranged at the corners, at the 8 corners of a cube, and at the center of all 6 spaces of the cube. Number of atoms in FCC unit cell. Corner atoms, there are 8 corner atoms. Each corner atom is shared by 8 neighboring unit cells. Therefore, 8 corner atoms, each corner atom is shared by 8 neighboring atoms, that is 1 by 8. Simplify, we get 1. And each and total contribution 1, and space centered atoms, there are 6 space centered atoms. Each space atom is shared by 2 unit cell. The contribution of one space atom 1 by 2, there are 6 spaces, we get 3. The total atoms Z1 plus 3, we get 4. Number of atoms per unit cell is 4. Here in simple cubic, number of atoms 1, and BCC number of atoms per unit cell 2. Here number of atoms per unit cell is Z in FCC 4. These are important for examination point of view. Here coordination number is the number of nearest neighboring atoms surrounding one atom. Here coordination number of FCC is 12. Here atomic packing factor. The atomic packing factor tells us how much space is occupied by atoms. The atomic packing factor in FCC 0.74. This means 74% of space is filled by atoms and the remaining 26% is empty. In FCC structure, 74% of space is filled by atoms, remaining 26% is empty. Here the formula, density formula, is important for examination point of view. The density of an FCC crystal, rho equal to Zm by n cube. Here Z is the number of atoms per unit cell, M is the molar mass, and n is the Avogadro number, and A is the A cube is the edge length. Here briefly I will explain. This is the FCC unit cell. There are blue color atoms indicate corner atoms. There are 8 corner atoms, and these are the space centered. These are the space centered atoms. There are 6 spaces and 6 atoms. Here number of atoms in one unit cell. Corner atoms 8 into 1 by 8, we get 1 atom, and face centered 3 atoms. The total atoms 4 atoms. 4. Here the edge length in FCC A equal to 2 root 2 R. This is the edge length, and the important parameters for examination point of view, simply I will explain. Atoms touch along face diagonal. Face diagonal is 4R root 2, and edge length I will A equal to 2 into 2 root R. This is the edge length, and coordination number is already I will tell 12, and atomic packing factor 0.74, and packing fraction 74%. Here key features of FCC: high dense structure, atoms at corner and face centers. Number of atoms per unit cell is 4 atoms per unit cell, and coordination number is 12. Atomic packing factor 0.74. Examples: aluminum, copper, nickel, argon, and density formula is rho equal to Zm by Na A cube. Here rho is the density and Z is the number of atoms per unit cell, and M is the molar mass, and Na is the Avogadro number, and A is the edge length of unit cell. See, ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡೋಣ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. See, this is the question KSET 2024 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್. An element crystallizes into a FCC centered structure, cubic structure. A sample of mass 208 gram contains 4.8 into 10 raised to 24 atoms. If the density of the element is given that, and determine the edge length of the, here we have to find the edge length, that is A. These are the options. So you know the density of the formula, rho equal to Zm by Na A cube. This is the formula. Rho is the density. If the density of the element, see here the density is given, and Na is, we know that Avogadro number, Z is the number of atoms per unit cell, in FCC is 4, M is the molar mass, and A is the, we have to find that A. Here first we have to find out the molar mass. See, the given data: crystal structure FCC, and mass 208 gram, and number of atoms 4.28 into 10 raised to 24. Density is given 7200 kg per meter cube, and Avogadro number is, we know that, 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 mole. Find the unit length. All these substitute in the formula. First we have to, this formula is rho equal to Zm by Na A cube. Here density is given, Na is, we know that, and A cube is to find out, and Z is the number of atoms, that is 4. We don't know M. We have to find the molar mass, that is molar mass M equal to M into mass into number Avogadro number divided by number of atoms. Here mass is 208 into Avogadro number, and number of atoms, in given that number of atoms 4.8 into 10 raised to 24 atoms. Substitute, we get this much value. To convert SI unit, molar mass equal to 20 9.3 into 10 raised to minus 3 kg per mole. Now we have to substitute in the formula. This is the formula. Z is, we know, number of atoms. Substitute and before we substitute, we have to find edge length, that is A cube equal to Zm by Na rho. Z is 4 into molar mass is 29, and Na we have to substitute in this formula. We get this much of value, and taking cube root of this much, 3.3 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter, since 1 angstrom equal to 10 raised to minus 10 meter. So simply edge length is 3 angstrom. So here the right answer, option number 4, 3 angstrom is the right one. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.